The Stage 4 cylinder head is the holy grail of cylinder heads. It's going to be upgraded valves all throughout. Inconel intake valves and Inconel exhaust valves. Valves that can handle higher temperature and higher pressure. Most commonly used in racing and in turbocharged, supercharged, and boosted applications. This cylinder head is going to have the deck machined for fire rings. Around each cylinder they cut out a groove and insert a stainless steel ring that is going to prevent head gasket blowouts. So when you're running the ultimate cylinder pressure, you're running big horsepower, this is the head that's going to keep your engine together and last. When a standard valve is pushed beyond its capabilities, both temperature and pressure, the end result is what they call a chordal fracture. This is why we upgrade the valves in our Performance Series head. Both the Stage 2, 3, and 4 will utilize Inconel material in the valves, resulting in a stronger, more robust, longer lasting cylinder head.
For more information, contact one of our ASC certified parts technicians at 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to stay up to date on all news from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.